You may recognize this location as the bridge where Rebecca fell off into the water in Amsterdam in Ted Lasso, portrayed by the brilliant Waddingham. And that's kind of how life is sometimes. We get knocked over, we fall down, and the key is getting back up again. So let's do some tapping around this, taking full responsibility for your own well-being. Even though I get knocked over sometimes, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I get knocked over sometimes, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I get knocked over sometimes, I fall down. I might even fall in the water sometimes. And even though I get knocked down sometimes, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself, and maybe anyone else who might be involved. Even the bicyclists who might knock me over. Sometimes I get knocked down. Sometimes I fall over. Sometimes I fall in. Some people knock me over. Some people let me down. Sometimes life hurts. And I'm giving myself permission to heal whatever I can, to clear up old pain, to release whatever I can from the past, so that I pick myself back up again. Get up and dust myself off, or dry myself off. And if I'm honest with myself, I've done that more times than I remember. I have what it takes to get back up again, to get back up on my feet, to move forward again. Some part of me might want to stay down, feel safer, but I'm remembering I've got what it takes to get back up. I choose to love that about myself, in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Let it go. Lather, rinse, repeat as necessary. And when there's other stuff that might bring you down, I'm here for you. Thanks.